Today we will talk about 9 best tea for weight loss, so stay tuned to get more information. Drinking weight loss tea can be a brilliant method to enhance your dietary limitations and exercise routine in case you're not kidding about shedding pounds. Tea comes in various assortments, in light of how they are dried and arranged. Yet most real tea originates from the Camellia sinensis plant, which is local to Asia, principally China and India. Tea is an amazingly groundbreaking drink, as it can help in a wide range of well-being worries. From heart well-being to energy levels, and weight reduction. The digestion invigorating impacts of specific teas make them especially favored for those attempting to thin down. Best tea for weight loss. The best thinning teas for weight loss incorporate green tea, white tea, ginger tea, Pu-Erh Tea, Oolong Tea, dark tea, Turmeric Tea, Hibiscus Tea, Rooibos Te, and peppermint tea, among others. 1. Green tea. This popular tea variety has high levels of flavonoids, caffeine, and other antioxidants that are known to stimulate the body's metabolism. This can help to speed up the fat burning process, which can aid in weight loss efforts when used in conjunction with a healthy diet and regular exercise. 2. Pu-Erh Tea. Some of the studies done on this particular type of tea show that its enzyme stimulating effects are able to shrink the size of fat cells in the body, making it easy for your body to metabolize these into usable energy and contributing significantly to weight loss. 3. Black tea. Maybe the most well-known sort of tea on the vast majority's racks, dark tea comes in a wide range of names and has caffeine, just as other digestion invigorating mixes. This can help the uninvolved fat consuming of the body, which implies you will have the option to consume more calories and fat, in any event, when you're not working out. 4. Oolong Tea. The catechins and polyphenolic exacerbates, found in such high amounts inside this tea, can improve the body's capacity to process fat cells, implying that you can consume fat quicker. Besides, this tea has been connected to bringing down pulse, one of the contributing variables to a metabolic problem, which can add to weight reduction. 5. White tea. This noteworthy weight reduction tea attempts to help in weight reduction in 2 unique ways. White tea is marginally not quite the same as dark and green teas, in that it restrains the body from retaining fat, while additionally improving the body's capacity to consume fat that it burns through. This twofold advantage of white tea makes it outstanding, amongst other weight reduction teas you could attempt in case you're not kidding about shedding pounds. 6. Rooibos Tea. This weight reduction tea acts in an extraordinary manner to help weight reduction. Above all else, Rooibos smothers the hormones in the body that trigger your sentiments of yearning. This can diminish nibbling and indulging, which will thusly assist you with getting more fit. There are likewise pulse and cholesterol bringing down impacts of this tea, which can assist with improving your general well-being. 7. Ginger tea. This herbal tea is known for its warming qualities, as well as its metabolism stimulating properties. Studies have proven that regular consumption of this tea can help in weight loss efforts, due to its ability to boost circulation and increase fat burning, as well as improving nutrient uptake. 8. Hibiscus tea. There are those that claim hibiscus tea is able to suppress the appetite, and that its sweetness helps make it easier to stop eating, thus reducing your caloric intake and helping you lose weight. 9. Turmeric tea. One of the most remarkable flavors on the planet, turmeric is likewise ready to invigorate digestion, improve assimilation, and lift flow. The entirety of this is joined with its capacity to enable your body to process fat all the more effectively. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, press subscribe to receive more videos, and do not forget to share with your friend.